dinner is served. I know my avocado isn't looking the best of the best. This is actually the last of the really ripe one. Hello and good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ray, or you can just call me Ray. Now, if you know you watch my videos back to back and have not subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos where I talk about health, fitness and lifestyle. So we're doing what I eat in a day type of video today. I actually have not done one of these videos in a while, but you all know I'm on my weight loss journey and I've been documenting my journey to 120 pounds. I already had breakfast. Of course, I'm focusing mainly on obviously losing fat, making sure I prioritize protein as I'm building muscle, doing my strength training and resistance training. Now, the thing with my breakfast, I tend to like a bigger breakfast. I have to properly calculate how much protein and calories that I had this morning, but I try to get about 30 grams of protein in all of my meals, and I definitely think I hit that. And in terms of the calories, I know my breakfast was a lot of calories. I try for my calorie deficit because you all know if you're trying to lose weight, one of the main things is that you need to be in a calorie deficit. So I try to be around 1500. Some days it may be a little more, some days it may be maybe 1400, but I really try not to go too low because I'm trying to do something that's realistic and sustainable. Anyway, I think that my calories for my breakfast may work out to maybe about 700 calories, which is fine because I am using the MyFitnessPal app specifically because I know I'm documenting everything today. Usually I eyeball everything, don't really check it as much because I have a good idea as to how much calories I'm supposed to be eating just by eyeballing it. But I said, you know what, just for the video I will plug in my calories and my macros, my proteins, fats, carbs into MyFitnessPal. But I think it should be around 700 calories, which is like almost half of the amount that I should consume for the day. But it's fine because for lunch and for dinner, I more than likely will not be as hungry, and because I'm prioritizing protein, fats and fiber, it's gonna keep me satiated, it's gonna keep me full, even if it's not a lot of calories, which I absolutely love. Anyway, that was a whole mouthful. But anyways, I actually am ready. I have a couple errands to run, so when it is I come back later, I will organize to have lunch. And I also want to do my ginger turmeric wellness shots. I haven't made it in a while, but I will make it today. And of course, you know, I will show you all. So I'm back and I have my water. Make sure you all stay hydrated. I'm making like a burrito bowl. I'm gonna season my shrimp and my salmon because I'm gonna have salmon for dinner. I'm thinking if to make the wellness shots. Actually no, I was gonna make the wellness shots for lunch and then I consider dinner, but now I'm like, you know what, let me make the wellness shots for lunch because really and truly I like having it early on in the morning, and since I didn't have it for breakfast, it's best I have it for lunch. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that. it have a lot of construction happening, so I'm gonna try and do as much b-roll because at least it's quiet now, but before it was like a whole set of noise. But anyway, so let's make lunch. So let's make our ginger, turmeric and lime shots, our wellness shots. I usually use this particular board because it's like an old board, and if you know anything about turmeric, it will stain everything. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put on some gloves. I'm not gonna go through like the whole process of making it. I actually did a dedicated video on how I made it, so I would link it for y'all, and I would also put it in the description box. But maybe I'll just show y'all a couple of clips. And I'm so excited to make this because I haven't made it in a while, and this is really good for your health. So this is a shrimp here, and I have a couple pieces of salmon here. I actually put salt in both of them, and then I'm just gonna add like some fresh onions, garlic, and some other spices and seasonings. So I didn't realize that a lot of my seasonings were empty. But I actually have some basil. This is Italian seasoning, cilantro flakes, and some parsley flakes. Wait, do I have oregano? Hold on, just now. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I have oregano, but it's empty. Like, why did I even keep this? Anyway, one of these actually, okay, so there's a little bit of oregano right there, so I'm gonna use that. So we have lunch here, and y'all, I already tasted the shrimp. It is so tasty. It tastes really good. Y'all, if y'all watch any of my what I eat in a day videos, this is a regular. The way I devoured this meal, it was too good, too good. And dinner is served. Y'all, if it's one thing I know I can eat every day, is yogurt parfait and salmon and sweet potatoes. I love it, I love it, I love it. Like, I don't even need to do a taste test because I know it already tasting good, but I'll still do it with y'all. But there is nothing better than salmon and sweet potatoes. Let me get some of the salad with it too. It'll just taste so good. I was actually checking my MyFitnessPal app, and I think I reached my goal of getting over 100 grams of protein. Definitely would want to get a little more on some days, but as long as I can get that 100, I'm really good, because that will really help me with gaining muscle, losing fat as I exercise. So I'm gonna have my dinner. I hope you all enjoyed today's mini vlog. If you did, make sure you give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos. And as always, try your best to become the healthiest version of yourselves. Bye guys.